Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an Infiniti G37 headlight. First, gather your essential tools, including a screwdriver set and your new headlight bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. You'll need to locate the headlight assembly, which is typically found behind the front bumper. This initial preparation makes the entire process much smoother. Now, let's get to accessing the headlight. You'll need to remove several clips and screws that secure the front bumper. Once these are out, gently pull the bumper forward just enough to expose the entire headlight unit. Be careful not to pull too hard to avoid damaging any wiring. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the headlight assembly. This step ensures no power is running to the unit. With the headlight assembly exposed, it's time to replace the bulb. First, unscrew any retaining bolts that hold the entire headlight assembly in place. Carefully pull the old headlight bulb straight out from its housing. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb, making sure it is seated correctly and securely within the housing. Now for the final steps, reassembly and testing. Reconnect the electrical connector to the new headlight and secure the entire assembly back into its position with the retaining bolts. Carefully reattach the front bumper, ensuring all clips and screws are firmly in place. Finally, turn on your headlights to confirm everything is working correctly. Don't forget to check the description for the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.